All right, guys, we're gonna give you a little tour. The guy's been working for about 6 days, and you can see they've got most of the house framed. They got a few things here on the front porch to finish up over here. Then we got some awnings to go over these windows. They look similar to this over here that they put up. You see that? They'll put those awnings over these two windows. They also almost got the shop up back here. Super excited about this. So this is a 30 by 40 shop with 12-foot walls. Now I'll sit back. There's a 2-car garage on the house. But yeah, this will be all open area once this is said and done. We'll walk through the house real quick. Just a quick tour. I had them put this grocery door in because that's going to be our pantry on the other side of this wall. So they went ahead and put like a half door in. That way we can just load groceries through the wall to the pantry. We got, that'll be the upstairs. This will be just a bonus room. It'll just be unfinished space. It's almost 900 square feet up here. We'll use this for storage for now. We'll come through here. Have a little closet here. This will be a nook for like shoes and stuff. We'll put like a bench here with a coat rack. This will be the laundry room in here. We'll have a sink. More open room over here. This will walk into the master closet. So we actually pushed this wall this way about 3 feet from what it normally is. And then we'll walk into, that'll be the master bathroom in here. Got a 4x8 shower here. That'll be the toilet and then vanities. This master bedroom. I had them put this blocking up so that we can mount a TV on the wall. I'll have a patio door out to the back porch. This is a 18 by 50 back porch. It'll be covered. And then we'll have 2 more patio doors over here going back into the living room. This will be our kitchen over here. Kitchen sink, outlook in the backyard. This is our pantry. We may actually push this wall out like 4 or 5 feet this way toward the front of the house to make it even with the front of the house. It gives you more storage space. And then on this side, I had them add these arch doors today. So we got one there and one over there. I got that done. Obviously this is the guest bedroom where the kids asleep. The kids' bedroom. We got the bathroom, Jack and Jill bathroom, and the other bedroom. So that's it. They got a little ways to go on the front, and then I think they're done. And then the guys that are doing the metal will be here. So still got a little bit of a mess out here, but I think tomorrow's their last day, so they should be picking up today. They're finishing the front, and then they'll come in and start doing metal for the roofing and the siding. So yeah, that's it right now. It's a little update, and we will continue to update as we move along. But I mean, this is amazing to see. This has been 5 days of work. There used to just be a slab here, so, and that's including the shop. So we'll see what happens next. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer them when I have time. And yeah, y'all have a good night.